cold.
Tom, Kim, exactly right. It has been so cold all month long. It's been pretty snowy as well. We're about double our month-to-date snowfall. But the story today is this. It's those temperatures, and also we're at 44 consecutive hours with a wind chill at or below zero. So that's pretty stunning in just terms of how cold it's been and for such a long period here, folks. Again, this is going back to Saturday night, and it's now Monday afternoon, and we've had a sub-zero wind chill for every hour since then. Now, here's another point of kind of context. Today, our average temperature, you take the low temperature and the high temperature, you average it together, and it's been -4 for us so far today. That makes it our coldest January day since 1997 for us here in Denver. So, again, I think we often say, okay, obviously you don't need me to sit here and tell you my fancy suit and tie and tell you that it's cold today, right? The point is today's pretty unusually cold, and it's also been snowpacked for a little while, hasn't it been? We've got those kind of brown, yucky snow piles. 30 of the last 33 days have had at least an inch of snow on the ground. That is unusual for us here in the Denver area. So again, it's pretty unusual stuff. And then also for us so far this month, 26.6 degrees for our average temperature. That's a little over 5 degrees below our month-to-date average. So, Tom and Kim, again, I think the thing I'm trying to say here, and the point is yeah, it's cold. It's the middle of winter. For us to sit here and tell you it's cold, no doubt, but this is pretty unusual cold and for a pretty long period as well.
Yeah, and the snow part. I mean, I think that really, we're used to drying out for a while after a snowstorm, and then if we go in the deep freeze.
Well, that's what I want to ask you about, because this snow sits here. We talk about getting moisture from snow. This snow isn't melting right now.
No, it's not.
Do we lose some of it because it just goes off into the air instead of down into the ground?
We usually do. So kind of a couple of factors that are in play here. One, this is not usually our snowy time of year. We've talked about this before. It's normally February, March, and April when we get our big snows. The fact that we're getting it this time of year means we've got a lower sun angle, which means we just can't melt it. And also we had an unusually high amount of water within the snow that we picked up so far over the last month or so. So those are the two main driving factors for why we've got this snow that's been on the ground for such an unusually long period of time. It's one of my favorite things about living here is that once it snows, normally next day, 2 days later, it's gone, but that's not the case now.
Things are kind of screwed up in the weather department. Have you tried turning it on and off or unplugging it for 30 seconds?
Yeah, there's some computers back there. I'm going to fiddle with that during the break.
I would reboot.
Hit the reset.
Yeah.
We want
Something's wrong back there. Chris, thanks for telling us what's happened. Hopefully it changes.